Hazrat Abu Burda's father, Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu says, I, accompanied by a group of the Ash'aris, entered the court of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in order to ask for some mounts. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not give you any mount, nor do I have any mount to give you for riding. He adds, we stayed with him as long as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu pleased. Then 3 beautiful she camels were presented to him, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made us mount on them. When we had gone, some of us said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we will not be blessed in them, for when we visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked for the mounts, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam took an oath for not granting us the mounts. But later he sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted us the mounts. So return to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and mention it to him. We thereupon reached there. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Not I, but Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made you ride on them, and by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I, if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will, don't take an oath, but when I find betterment in something else, I then pay the expiation of my oath, or said, opt the better aspect and pay the expiation of the oath. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6623.